will and parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies up blue. Get in the door. Coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today.
And remember, if you're in trouble, don't you delay. Call on Jack Wolf Knives today. And here he is, the man himself, Jack Wolf's Knives.
Hello everyone, I'm Ben Belkin with Jack Wolf Knives. We're here at the California Custom Knife Show in Woodland Hills. Very happy to be here. We have one of everything from our catalog so that you can come make the slip joints walk and talk. We're featuring for sale today our Little Bro Jack. It goes on sale at dealers next Friday the 17th. We're really pleased with the turnout today. It's a great show, it's great people. And yeah, we're happy to be here.
Now, the Jack Wolf's experience isn't just their knives, it's also what they come in. So can you tell us about what you get when you open up one of these good-looking tubes?
Absolutely. So we really believe that the customer's experience is important. And we want to deliver to the customer an art appreciation experience because your knife is functional art. So when you buy a Jack Wolf knife, it comes in a metal can with a watertight lid, so it's a useful item. It features custom artwork from a marble artist. You'll also receive a leather slip, a 12 by 12 microfiber cloth, and our throwback to the 90s, which is a POG. Features the artwork from the can.
Well, that's really interesting. And you're really famous. You've been on a friend of the channel, the Knife Junkie, Mark DeMarco himself. I enjoyed watching your interview with him. That's why I'm so very, very happy to be able to come here and share you with the people on YouTube, on the Have a Knife Day community. And thank you so much. Remember, if you want to look like a wise person, you pick up one of these Jack Wolf knives and an apple, find yourself a tree, and before you know it, people will show up and ask you for knowledge. That's right. All right, thank you so much and have a knife day.
Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all.